Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get a custom crosshair on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. Alright, let's begin. First, open System Settings on your Nintendo Switch. Scroll down to Internet and then go to Internet Settings. Select the Wi-Fi network you're connected to and click on Change Settings. Next, scroll down to DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual. In primary DNS, enter 045, 055, 142, 122. Press OK, then save. Once that's done, connect to your network again. It might show that there's no internet connection. That's completely fine. Now select Next, then choose Continue to Google. Once you're on Google, search for Epic Games Crosshair V2. Click on the first link that appears. When the page loads, sign into your Epic Games account. After signing in, you'll see a Get button. Click it to enable your custom crosshair. So that's basically how you can get a custom crosshair on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. That's it for this video. Thanks.